Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Kia Tasman is an all-new mid-size pickup truck from Kia, designed to compete in global markets, particularly targeting popular models like the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Mitsubishi Triton. Scheduled for release in 2025, the Tasman represents Kia's first entry into the competitive pickup segment and is expected to blend rugged off-road capabilities with modern design and advanced technology. Built on a body-on-frame platform, the Tasman is engineered to handle both work and recreational duties. It is expected to offer various configurations including single cab, dual cab, and possibly a chassis cab option for commercial use. The styling is bold and aggressive, with a wide grille, muscular wheel arches, and high ground clearance to reinforce its tough, utility-focused identity. Powertrain options are likely to include a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine already used in other Kia and Hyundai models, and there may be a V6 diesel or turbocharged petrol option depending on the market. A hybrid or electric variant could be introduced later, aligning with Kia's commitment to electrification. Transmission options are expected to include both manual and automatic gearboxes, along with rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. Inside, the Tasman is anticipated to feature a driver-focused cockpit with a digital instrument cluster, large touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and a suite of safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking. Comfort and refinement will be a key focus, with Kia aiming to offer a cabin experience more akin to a modern SUV than a traditional work truck. The Kia Tasman will initially launch in Australia and New Zealand, where demand for utes is strong, before expanding to other regions including Southeast Asia, South Africa, and potentially North America. Kia aims to differentiate the Tasman with a blend of durability, technology, and value for money, appealing to both lifestyle buyers and commercial fleets. Overall, the Tasman marks an important step for Kia as it enters a new vehicle category with strong global demand. With tough competition from established brands, Kia is banking on its proven engineering, bold design, and value-oriented strategy to carve out a place in the mid-size pickup market.